Here you have the monkey cleaning the chicken of parasites as if it was a fellow monkey. The chicken is here on a regular basis. It's the only one of the chickens that we have seen being cleaned by the monkey, but the monkey is clearly searching for bugs off of the chicken. And there it goes. It's eating. It found something. It dug its head in, tried to grab it. The symbiotic relationships in nature can sometimes be fascinating. Monkey and chicken. Monkey gets something out of it, food, and the chicken gets a cleaning. There, the monkey is almost riding the chicken right now. There is a piece of watermelon that we just put by there, and the monkey is still cleaning the chicken. Oh, and the chicken has missed its opportunity because another one came and grabbed the watermelon that was placed there. The temptation is now too much. The monkey is reaching for the watermelon as well. It's out of its reach, unfortunately, because it's tied up. Now the monkey has grabbed onto the watermelon and has claimed possession of it. It will not be sharing the spoils with the chicken. Wait, it does appear that the chicken is sharing with the monkey, or rather reverse.
You want that monkey? No, he needs to eat the seeds first.
They are definitely friends.
What's that, Olive? Jack, look. Okay, come on. I don't want to. I want to sit here.